hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I'm going on a quick market run today and I'll take you along that journey. All I know is that he has been here for over 10 years and there are 2 locations now and this is the oldest. And most of the products here are organic. That's all I can tell you.
Welcome to Mercado El Cid, where all of the vendors come from within 100 meters.
Yes, I did remember that. You are correct.
Soy Amy.
There. Drink coconut water. I love. Do you have any of those in your house?
No.
Okay, good. I don't feel bad. Chocolate Maya. I'm so happy I get to come to this market with you, lady.
¿Qué es eso?
No sé. It's durazno chiquito.
These are my favorite.
I don't know if I've ever
These are
had
cherry
those.
moya.
Ah.
They call it the custard apple.
Custard apple. I don't recall
But
having
don't
that.
eat the seeds, they're poisonous.
Oh.
Do you think I could find sourdough bread here?
Should be able to. I'm looking.
¿Es mismo?
Are you gonna get it? Nice. Okay. Capture the moment of Terasa.
And the lighting too, I think helps. It's just like the light is so good.
Do you like what it looks like?